Are you tired of fumbling with the wrong tools for those tiny repairs? Here are the 5 best precision toolkits I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Jurist 40PC Small Precision Screwdriver Set. The Jurist 40PC Small Precision Screwdriver Set, priced at just $9.99. What caught my eye was the sheer number of tools packed in this compact kit. If you want a reliable set for all your small electronics, this is worth a serious look. This set includes 40 pieces, featuring 30 CRV screwdriver bits that cover everything from Phillips to Torx and even a few specialty bits for your gadgets. This means you can tackle repairs on everything from your MacBook to your PS5 and even your Ring doorbell. The slip-resistant rotatable handle adds comfort, allowing you to work with ease. Plus, the magnetic bits mean you won't lose those tiny screws. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're someone who often finds themselves repairing various electronics, this kit covers almost every base. With over 10,000 sold in just the past month, it's clear that people are trusting this brand. Now, some people complained about the bits being a bit too small for larger screws. Here's the thing though, if you're buying a precision kit, you probably aren't tackling big projects anyway. This is for detailed work, so unless you need heavy-duty tools, I wouldn't let that deter you. This is perfect for you if you're a casual DIYer or someone who frequently fixes small electronics. Skip this if you need a kit for larger tasks, since this set is designed specifically for precision work. For $9.99, it's a fantastic value for what you get. Now, if the size concern of Jurist bothered you, this next option might take a completely different approach. Product number 2. The AXTH 25-in-1 Small Precision Screwdriver Set. The AXTH 25-in-1 Small Precision Screwdriver Set, also at $9.99. I was impressed by how compact and portable this set is. If you want a handy kit that can fit in your pocket, this is definitely worth checking out. This set comes with 24 different bits, including Phillips, flat, and Torx, ensuring you have everything for basic electronics repair. The bits are made from bearing steel, which means they can withstand wear and tear, while the strong magnetic tip helps grab hold of those tiny screws. This matters because it makes your repairs quicker and less frustrating. Nobody wants to chase after a screw that just rolled away. Despite its strengths, some reviews noted that the case can feel a bit flimsy. Here's my take. If you're careful with your tools, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. The practicality and effectiveness of the bits far outweigh this minor concern. This is perfect for you if you often work on electronics like phones and laptops. However, skip this one if you need something that can handle larger screws or heavy-duty tasks. For $9.99, the value is solid, especially for its portability. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for your specific repair needs. Product number 3. The Jurist 59PC Small Precision Screwdriver Set, priced at $12.99. The first thing that stood out to me was the extensive range of bits included in this kit. If you want a comprehensive tool set for pretty much any electronic repair, this is a fantastic choice. With 59 pieces, including 44 screwdriver bits and a variety of accessories, you're equipped for virtually any task. The ergonomic design and magnetic capabilities mean you can work efficiently without straining your hands. Plus, it's versatile enough for everything from MacBooks to game consoles. This is important because it saves you from buying multiple kits for different devices. Now, I'll be real with you. This isn't a deal breaker if you're careful and need precision. If you're looking for a detailed repair kit, the size won't be an issue. This is perfect for tech enthusiasts or anyone who wants a one-stop shop for electronic repairs. But if you need something more heavy-duty or larger, you might want to look elsewhere. At $12.99, it's a great investment for the features you get. Now, if you need more extensive options, the next product on our list covers all bases. Product number 4. The Jurist 25-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set, retailing at $8.99. What I liked about this set is its straightforward design and affordability. If you're looking for a reliable, no-frills option for small repairs, this one's worth considering. This kit includes 25 pieces with various bits and an ergonomic handle for comfortable use. The frosted anti-slip pattern on the handle is a thoughtful touch, making it easier to grip during those delicate tasks. It's designed for everything from glasses to gaming consoles, making it ideal for everyday needs. However, the kit doesn't include as many bits as some of the other options. But here's the thing. If you're just looking for something simple for minor repairs, this can be an advantage because it's not overwhelming. This is perfect for beginners or anyone who just wants a handy tool to keep around the house. But if you need a kit that tackles a broad range of devices, this might not satisfy your needs. At $8.99, it offers great value for basic tasks. If you're looking for something even more comprehensive, the last product on our list takes things to another level. Product number 5, the Strebito 142-piece precision screwdriver set. We have the Strebito Electronics Precision Screwdriver Set, priced at $27.99. This massive set really caught my eye with its 142 pieces. If you need a complete toolkit for serious repairs, you'll want to hear about this. This set has 120 different bits, which means it covers every conceivable repair project you might face. It includes magnetic tools and a durable storage back, keeping everything organized and easy to transport. The ergonomic design ensures you can work comfortably, which is a huge plus when you're dealing with repetitive tasks. If you often find yourself fixing phones, laptops, or game consoles, this is a dream. However, the price point might be higher than what casual DIYers are looking for. But here's the thing. If you're serious about repairs and want a kit that lasts, the investment is worth it. This is perfect for professionals or avid DIYers who take on multiple projects. But if you're just doing occasional fixes, this might be more than you need. At $27.99, it reflects the quality and range of tools you're getting, making it a valuable investment. Now let's wrap things up and see how these all stack up against each other. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Jurist 59 pieces because it offers an incredible range of tools for various tasks at a great price. Avoid the Jurist 25-in-1 if you need something more extensive, as it may not cover all your bases. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.